Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best PC cases that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's starts this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Cooler Master Cosmos C700ME. The Cooler Master Cosmos C700ME ATX full tower is a remarkable powerhouse that combines stunning aesthetics with exceptional functionality. Its curved tempered glass panel showcases the interior components in all their glory, while the riser cable provides flexibility in GPU placement for optimal performance. The interior layout is highly customizable, allowing for easy installation and expansion of components. With diverse liquid cooling options, this case ensures efficient heat dissipation, keeping your system cool under intense workloads. The inclusion of Type-C connectivity further enhances the case's modern appeal. To top it off, the customizable addressable RGB lighting adds a touch of personalization, making the Cosmos C700ME a dream for PC enthusiasts. Moving on at number 4, we have Corsair iCUE 5000 TRGB Mid-Tower. The Corsair iCUE 5000 TRGB Mid-Tower ATX PC case is a true marvel for PC enthusiasts seeking a perfect blend of style and performance. With its 208 individually addressable RGB LEDs, this case offers a dazzling light show that can be customized to match any mood or aesthetic. It's not just about looks, though. The iCUE 5000T is designed to deliver exceptional cooling capabilities. It can accommodate multiple 360mm radiators, ensuring efficient heat dissipation even during demanding tasks. Cable management is made effortless with the case's intelligent design, keeping your build clean and organized. Additionally, the inclusion of 3 Corsair LL120 RGB fans provides powerful airflow while adding a stunning visual element to your setup. The iCUE 5000T is a testament to Corsair's commitment to delivering top-notch performance and eye-catching design in a single package. At number 3, we have Phanteks Eclipse G500A. The Phanteks Eclipse G500A mid-tower case in sleek black is a testament to the perfect marriage of style and functionality. Designed with the modern PC builder in mind, this case boasts a stunning aesthetic with its tempered glass side panel, allowing for a captivating view of your hardware. The integrated DRGB lighting system adds a touch of vibrancy and customization, enhancing the visual appeal of your build. With ample space and smart cable management solutions, the Eclipse G500A ensures a clean and organized interior. Its versatile design accommodates various cooling options, providing efficient airflow to keep your components cool under heavy workloads. Phanteks has once again delivered a high-quality case that combines elegance and practicality in the Eclipse G500A. At number 2, we have Fractal Design Define 7. The Fractal Design Define 7 Nano Black Solid is a compact and sophisticated case that offers an excellent balance between size, functionality, and style. Designed for mini ITX and mini DTX builds, this case provides a sleek and minimalist aesthetic with its solid black exterior. Despite its small footprint, the Define 7 Nano offers ample space for high-performance components, allowing for powerful computing in a compact form factor. It features excellent noise dampening capabilities, ensuring a quiet computing experience. With its versatile storage options, efficient airflow, and easy cable management, the Fractal Design Define 7 Nano Black Solid is a superb choice for those seeking a compact yet capable PC case. And finally at number 1, NZXT-H710i. The NZXT-H710i, CAH710IBR, ATX mid-tower PC gaming case is a powerful and visually striking case that combines functionality with stunning aesthetics. Designed for gamers and PC enthusiasts, this case boasts a black and red color scheme that exudes style and sophistication. The front I/O USB Type-C port ensures high-speed connectivity for your devices, while the quick-release tempered glass side panel allows for easy access and showcases your hardware. The vertical GPU mount adds a unique touch, displaying your graphics card in all its glory. Integrated RGB lighting enhances the overall look, creating a captivating visual experience. With its spacious interior, excellent cable management, and efficient cooling capabilities, the NZXT H710i is a top choice for gamers looking to build a powerful and visually appealing PC.